Hello, hello. A very warm welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk English.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe having a cup of coffee.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we're talking about one of the most important parts of a language. We are talking about how to learn English vocabulary. So, Bella, many students ask me, Alex, how can I remember all these words? They try to learn 50 words in one day.
Oh no, that is too many. Your brain is like a small suitcase. If you put too many clothes inside, the suitcase won't close.
That is a great example. I always tell my students to focus on quality, not quantity.
Exactly. It is better to learn 5 words perfectly than to forget 50 words quickly.
When I say learn a word perfectly, I mean you should know how to say it, how to spell it, and how to use it in a sentence.
For example, take the word delicious. You can't just know that it means good food. You should practice saying, "This pizza is delicious."
Right. You have to make the word live in your head.
Alex, do you still use paper to write down new words?
I do. I love flashcards. On one side of a small card, I write the English word. On the other side, I draw a small picture or write the meaning.
I like that. Pictures help your brain remember faster than translations.
But I know you are a tech person, Bella. You probably use your phone.
You caught me. I use apps like Anki or Quizlet. They use something called spaced repetition.
Spaced repetition. That sounds like a big scientific word. What does it mean?
It's simple. The app shows you a new word today. If you remember it, the app shows it to you again in 3 days, then in a week, then in a month.
Ah, so it reminds you just before you forget. That is very smart.
Another mistake students make is learning words in a long, random list.
Like banana, blue, bicycle, beautiful.
Yes, those words have nothing to do with each other. It is much better to learn topic vocabulary.
So, if you are in the kitchen, you learn words like spoon, fridge, cook, and plate.
Exactly. Your brain likes to connect things. When you think of a kitchen, all those words come together.
I tell my students to use word maps. You put a topic in the middle of a page and draw lines to related words. Bella, how did you learn so many words when you were a student?
I read a lot, but I didn't read difficult books like Shakespeare. I read graded readers.
Those are books written specifically for English learners, right?
Yes, they use simple words. If I see a new word in a story, I can guess the meaning because of the other words around it.
We call that context. Seeing a word in the wild is much better than seeing it in a dictionary.
And what about listening, Alex? You love movies.
I do. I watch movies with English subtitles. When I hear a word and see it on the screen at the same time, it sticks in my brain like glue.
Like glue. I like that. And if the movie is funny, you remember the word even better because you had an emotion.
I have a funny tip for beginners. It's a bit messy, but it works.
Oh, tell me.
Take some sticky notes and a pen. Write the name of everything in your house in English.
I did that. I had a note on my mirror, a note on my door, and even a note on my toaster.
Every time you brush your teeth, you see the word mirror. You don't have to study, you just see it.
It is a very easy way to learn nouns. But what about verbs, Alex? How do we learn actions?
For verbs, I like to use my body. If I want to learn the word jump, I actually jump. If I want to learn sleep, I pretend to sleep.
We call that total physical response. It sounds fancy, but it just means move your body to learn.
Alex, do you remember when we tried to learn 100 words in 1 hour when we were in college?
Oh no, we were so silly. We had a competition to see who could remember more.
And after 1 hour, I forgot my own name.
You did. You looked at me and said, "Hello, my name is, Potato?"
It's true. My brain just stopped working. That taught me that resting is also part of learning.
Very true. You need to sleep to let the words sink in.
And you need a friend to practice with, like us.
Having a study buddy makes everything fun. You can test each other and laugh at your mistakes.
There's one last rule for vocabulary. We say use it or lose it.
That is so important. If you learn a new word, but you never speak it or write it, it will disappear.
I tell my students to write a short journal every night, just 3 sentences using the new words they learned that day.
For example, today I saw a beautiful dog. He was running in the park. I felt happy.
Perfect. It's simple, it's personal, and it uses the words.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you use a word incorrectly, someone will help you, and then you will never forget it again.
Bella, what is your #1 tip for someone starting today?
Be patient with yourself. You're building a new house. You can't put the roof on before the walls are ready, one brick at a time.
My tip is to have fun. If you like music, learn words from songs. If you like cooking, learn words from recipes.
If you enjoy the process, you will never want to stop.
Well, Bella, I think we have shared a lot of word secrets today.
I hope our friends find them useful.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation. Learning vocabulary is a long journey, but you are not alone.
We want to hear from you. What is one new word you learned today?
Please write it in the comments below and try to use it in a sentence. We will read them and give you a thumbs up.
If you liked this video, please click the like button. It really helps Ready Talk English reach more students around the world.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. We have many more conversations coming to help you with your English journey.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a wonderful job.
See you in the next video.
Keep learning and keep smiling.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.